YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I have this box that just came in the mail. I want to unbox this for you. It's from a company called Cloth and Paper, and it's something I've had my eye on for a while, and I finally pulled the trigger on it. And yeah, let's get into it. It's a Chanel inspired piece for sure. I think it really looks Chanel inspired. This and another company have Chanel inspired items like this, but I decided to go with this one. So I just cut the tape open and a bunch of stuff fell out as I opened it. So let me show you what that stuff is. Let's see, not a lot of, here's my receipt. I'm not gonna show that because it would have personal information. Not a lot of backstory on this today. Thank you. Pause it if you want to read that. There's luxury and simplicity and nothing on the back there. And this says the same thing. I think this is going to be kind of a fast video because I'm not doing a lot of backstory, just jumping right in. So let's take this out. And here is the item. Here's the empty box. That tells you what it is, doesn't it? So let me take the, I'm just gonna have to rip through that sticker. It's a shame that tissue paper rips so easily. You can't preserve the lovely stickers. Not that you really need to. I hold on to that stuff for no reason at all. There's some tissue paper in the back just to stuff the box more, and then it's wrapped in here again. I'll just slip that off. And here's the item. It's an A5 size planner, so this would be like the Louis Vuitton GM size. This is black leather, and it's in a chevron print. And just a little piece of dust on the back there. It's lovely. So it kind of reminds me of the boy bags with the chevron print. And I kind of wish that the chevron print was a little bit narrower, like maybe half that size. It'd be even more like the Chanel boy chevron. One of the things that I noticed when I was looking at the photos of this online is that the front and back feel pretty plush, but then the side, as the leather is stretched out, I think you can see that here, the side isn't as plush as these sides, as the front and back are. Does that make sense? The same thing with the tab here with the snap. So let me open that up, and it's got gold hardware, and it doesn't say anything on the hardware, so it doesn't say Cloth and Paper or anything like that. And then inside it looks like this. So it says Cloth and Paper back here in gold, and it has all these slip pockets for cards, and there's a piece of cardboard there just to kind of keep that nice, I guess. Take that out. So there's what it looks like without that. Let's go through the pockets. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slip pockets, and those are deep enough for a business card. Let me check all of them and make sure they're all the same. So the bottom one will go all the way down, but the rest of them just go far enough for a business card. Let me put a card in there. My Godiva chocolate rewards is the first thing that I have available. So that's how deep a card will go in. You can still see the top on it. Whereas, I'll turn this sideways, that last pocket you can slip in that deep. And besides those 7 pockets, looks like it has 2 slip pockets on the front here. So there's that one, it goes all the way to the edge, and this one goes all the way to the edge. And then in the back, there's this pocket that's the full length of the agenda that goes all the way to the edge. And then there's a secretarial style pocket that folds out. That one, all of these seem to be leather, and they're probably, yeah, they're lined in whatever that material is. It's not leather, it's something different. So it has the big slip pocket, the secretarial, and then this slip pocket. And it has a little pen loop right here, which is a good generous size. So I'd be able to slip in my Swarovski pen very nicely, and I could play with that a little more and get it farther down and get the little clip over there like that. So that'd be really pretty. I've wanted a black agenda for a while, and I don't have it out. Oh, here it is. I have this little personal size, the medium size, that I got from Michael's for about $10, and it's okay, but you know, it serves its purpose for this size. It has this gray interior, and I really wanted one that was just all black with gold hardware. I've thought about getting the Louis Vuitton Epi, but I've had trouble finding one, especially in this size, because I really wanted the bigger size, the full size binder. I've had trouble finding one that doesn't have scratches or some kind of damage that I'm not happy with. And then some of these, some of the Louis Vuitton ones, a lot of them actually will have silver hardware, and I really wanted gold. And then some of them would be in great shape, but then they'd have somebody's initials imprinted on it or hot stamped on it. So I came across the cloth and paper one, and you know, it reminds me of Chanel. It's nice and plush. The leather feels really good. It's soft. It's just pretty and really classy looking, and I just thought, well, why not try that? And of course, it's a fraction of the price. This was about $135 compared to Vuitton. I don't even know what the GM size go for on the Preloved market, because it's been a while since I looked at them. I just kind of gave up on them. But yeah, I think that's beautiful. I think that'll work really well. So what I'm thinking is I have my GM and Damier Ebene, my Vuitton here, and I use this one for work, and then I need another one for YouTube, because I keep a lot of notes on my YouTube channel, and I wanted it to look really nice. So I don't know if I'll use the Vuitton for YouTube because my channel is about Vuitton, or if I'll use the Chanel inspired one from Cloth and Paper. Not sure yet. Maybe I'll take this one to work, because some of the kids recognize that this is Vuitton, and sometimes I'm a little afraid that it might disappear off my desk. My Swarovski pen last year disappeared, and I had to buy another one. So I don't know yet which one I'll use for what, but one is for work and one is for YouTube, my other work. But it's also fun. I enjoy both of my jobs, but yeah. So there you go. I think they look really nice together. What do you think? I think it works. And as far as like a size comparison, I could do something else later that's more detailed, but they're very close to the same size. The cloth and paper one is slightly bigger, like maybe a 1/4 of an inch taller. They're about the same width here. And then the depth, I would think, is about the same too. That looks pretty similar. So just a really quick comparison for you. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in this cloth and paper binder, I'll put a link below where you can get one. I have applied to be an affiliate with them, which means that if I am granted affiliate status, two things. I get a coupon code for you to use, so if I've been granted that, I'll put that below. And then I would also get a small percentage of any sales that you make from, or any purchases that you make from the link that I have below. So I'd love it if I do get the affiliate status and I put that link below, if you would use my link to purchase it, and I'd get a couple dollars. It's not a lot. It doesn't cost you any extra, and in fact, it would cost you less because you could use my discount code. If I've not been granted the affiliate status, I'm sorry, but you will have to pay full price for this. It's lovely. So far, I recommend it, and I'll do some more reviews on it and some wear and tear once I start using it to let you know how it's holding up. Because one thing that I am a little concerned about being leather is corner wear, things like that. My Filofax agenda, I just fixed it, but on this tab that keeps it closed, this interior fabric and the exterior fabric, this is not real leather. It's made to look like Saffiano, but it's definitely not Saffiano. These two materials had come apart. They're only glued together, so I had to re-glue them. And I really like this one. I like the color and everything, but I'm going to transfer all these pages over to the black agenda. Actually, let me do that right now and show you what it looks like. So here it is with some pages in it. And there you go. The dividers, I'll link these below. I bought them off Amazon. They're from Carpe Diem, and they're really pretty. They're just monthly dividers, and it comes with these kind of pastel and black and white, sort of a pink and green, like a mint green and a light pink. And then you open that up and you have the month on 2 pages. And then the rest of the pages in here are these inserts that are also Carpe Diem that I got at Hobby Lobby. And you can probably find those on Amazon too, so I'll link all those below. Let me show you what that looks like on the GM that I'm using. So here is my current week, and I just do it like this. I use a gold pen and a black pen. And with the black pen, I write all my notes, and the gold pen, I do accents on there. So that's what that looks like. Those have worked really well for me. It's a week on 2 pages, so I thought I would try using that again here. That's the month on 2 pages, and then here is, find one, the week on 2 pages. So I think that's really pretty, and it'll look classy, like black and white and gold, and I'm pretty impressed with that so far. That's my dog Baron, he's scratching. Do you have fleas? Do you? So I think it's really pretty and classy, and I like the black and white and gold on here, and looking forward to being able to use this very soon. All right, thank you so much for watching. That's all I've got for you today. If you liked this video or the planner, be sure to click the like button below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button, and if you would like to get notifications for when I post a new video, click the little bell icon that will notify you. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.